Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn how to use Cash App without an SSN, also known as a Social Security number. First, understand what an SSN is. It's a Social Security number, a legal ID that helps Cash App verify that you're a real citizen. Without an SSN, you can still sign up for Cash App, but you'll have limited features. You won't be able to send or receive money, add cash, or make online transactions. To unlock the full features of Cash App, you'll need to verify your identity using your SSN and legal ID. Bottom line, there's no way to fully use Cash App without verifying with an SSN. Unverified accounts are limited. And that's it. That's how to use Cash App without an SSN. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.